The most powerful telescope ever built just did something insane. It looked deep into the early universe and found galaxies that shouldn't even exist. Scientists are losing sleep over these images, and once you see them, you'll understand why. Launched in December 2021, the James Webb Space Telescope is humanity's most advanced eye on the cosmos. It sees in infrared, allowing us to peer through dust clouds and look back in time, over 13 billion years. The James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most ambitious eye on the cosmos, was launched with a singular mission: to peer deeper into the universe than ever before. After months of careful calibration and anticipation, Webb was finally ready to open its golden mirrors to the unknown. Scientists chose a seemingly empty patch of sky, a region so dark and unremarkable that, to the naked eye, it appeared almost void of stars. But this was precisely the point. By focusing on this tiny, unassuming area, Webb could collect faint light that had traveled for billions of years, revealing secrets from the dawn of time. As Webb's sensors gathered this ancient light, the images that emerged were nothing short of astonishing. The telescope revealed galaxies that existed just 300 million years after the Big Bang, a time when the universe was still in its infancy, shrouded in darkness and chaos. These galaxies, faint and distant, offered a glimpse into the earliest chapters of cosmic history, when the first stars and structures were beginning to form. But what Webb saw was not what anyone expected. Instead of small, faint and primitive galaxies, the telescope captured images of massive, bright and surprisingly mature galaxies, cosmic giants that seemed to have formed far too quickly. These galaxies were not only larger and more luminous than predicted, but they also appeared to be well developed, with complex structures that defied current models of how the universe should have evolved at that time. According to the laws of physics as we understand them, these galaxies simply shouldn't exist. Their size, brightness and level of development so soon after the Big Bang challenge everything we thought we knew about the early universe. The discovery has left astronomers and physicists both thrilled and perplexed, forcing them to reconsider the very foundations of cosmic evolution. What Webb saw has opened a new chapter in our quest to understand the universe, and raised profound questions that may take years, or even decades to answer. For decades, astronomers have relied on a well-established model of how galaxies form and evolve. According to this model, galaxies are not born overnight. Instead, they start as small, chaotic clouds of gas and dust, slowly merging and growing over billions of years. The process is thought to be gradual and messy, with stars forming in bursts and structures like spiral arms taking eons to develop. This timeline has been supported by countless simulations and observations, painting a picture of a universe where complexity emerges only after a long cosmic adolescence. But now, with the latest data from powerful telescopes like the James Webb, we're seeing something that doesn't fit. Some of the galaxies we're observing from the earliest epochs of the universe, just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang, already appear surprisingly mature. They have well-defined structures, clear spiral arms, and even show signs of organized rotation. These galaxies aren't the chaotic, formless blobs we expected. Instead, they look like they've skipped billions of years of cosmic evolution, appearing fully formed when, by all rights, they should still be in their infancy. This is a profound puzzle for astronomers. So what does this mean? Either our understanding of the early universe is incomplete, or the new observations are revealing phenomena we never anticipated. Maybe the physics of galaxy formation is more complex than we thought, or perhaps there are unknown processes at work that allowed these galaxies to grow up fast. Whatever the explanation, these discoveries are forcing scientists to rethink the very foundations of cosmology, opening the door to new questions and exciting possibilities about how our universe really works. Some scientists think we're seeing massive black holes forming faster than expected. Others believe dark matter might be more powerful than we thought. A few even suggest new physics, forces or particles we haven't discovered yet. If these galaxies are real, and our theories are wrong, the Big Bang timeline could shift. Our cosmic calendar might need rewriting. That would mean everything we know from galaxy evolution to dark energy needs a major update. Scientists are now racing to confirm the findings. More observations, more galaxies, and better measurements will either break cosmology or reinforce it. But either way, we're entering a new era of cosmic discovery. What if everything we thought we knew about the universe was just a single thread in a much larger cosmic tapestry? Imagine for a moment that all the textbooks, all the theories, and all the discoveries we've made so far are only scratching the surface of a reality far more complex, mysterious, and awe-inspiring than we ever dared to dream. The universe, with its billions of galaxies, swirling nebulae, and enigmatic black holes, is not just a collection of distant objects. It's a living, breathing story unfolding in real time, and we are only at the prologue. The James Webb Space Telescope is not just a tool, it's a time machine, a detective, and a storyteller all rolled into one. With every image it sends back, every spectrum it analyzes, it's rewriting the very narrative of the cosmos. It's as if the universe itself is a mystery novel. And with Webb, we're finally able to turn the page and discover new chapters that were hidden from us for billions of years. Each observation is a clue, each discovery a plot twist, and every unanswered question is an invitation to keep searching. The cosmos is no longer a static backdrop. It's a dynamic, ever-evolving puzzle, and we're right in the middle of the action. And honestly, we've only read the first page. Think about it. For centuries, humanity has gazed up at the night sky, wondering what lies beyond. Now, with the power of modern technology and the relentless curiosity of scientists around the world, we're finally starting to get some answers. But the more we learn, the more we realize how much we don't know. The universe is vast, mysterious, and full of surprises. We're just beginning to understand its language, to decipher its secrets, and to appreciate the sheer scale of what's out there. The first page is thrilling, but the rest of the story promises to be even more extraordinary. If you love exploring the unknown, if you're fascinated by the mysteries of space and the thrill of discovery, then you're in the right place. Hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe to Randopedia. Join our community of curious minds as we journey together through the wonders of the universe. Share your thoughts, ask your questions, and let's spark conversations that push the boundaries of what we know. Your engagement helps us reach more explorers like you, and together we can keep the spirit of discovery alive. Here at Randopedia, we're dedicated to decoding the universe, one strange discovery at a time. From the tiniest particles to the largest galaxies, from the birth of stars to the mysteries of dark matter, we're committed to bringing you the latest breakthroughs, the wildest theories, and the most mind-bending questions in astronomy and beyond. So stay curious, keep looking up, and remember, the universe is full of stories waiting to be told, and together we're just getting started.